LeetCode arrays problem. Hi everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics. So we're a little off today because I had some power outage, but we did this a little bit on the live stream, but I ended up deleting the whole live stream and kind of thrown off, and I lost some code, so it didn't get saved. So we're doing these a little bit out of order. So you haven't seen this yet on a live stream. We're going to do it. We actually did it today, but I did it yesterday. So, all right. So it was a really interesting question. And I don't think it's really written very well, but it's LeetCode 1431. You can go and check it out. But basically, you're given. It's a great question. It's still it's under the easy category, and I think this is even on the easier side. But you're given an array and an integer, and what you need to do is, and this is what one of my arguments. I very find this very rarely, and this may be the only one that I know of, is that the instructions are not 100% clear. But all right, so you're going to take this array. You're going to find out basically if we add this number to all of these individually, will that make the kid, because each of these represent a kid and the amount of candy that they have, and then extra candy. And if we add the extra candy to each of the kids, does that make that kid have the most candy? Well, in this example, it's true. This is the output: true, false, true. Well, when we're here and here, we equal the max of making the most candy. So it's actually greater than or equal to the most. So I just flew through this pretty quick and passed it pretty easily. I was a little shocked how easy it was, but I flattened this a little bit, and I want to show everyone that you can do this without needing to do ifs and elses, and that actually took me a lot longer than it should have to realize, because this right here is a Boolean comparison statement. So you're going to get back a Boolean here, so you don't need to do an if, return, if this is true, return true. Now you only need to do those if you're going to return the opposite. That would be the only time, so keep that in mind. If you really only truly need a if with a comparison, if you're returning the opposite. So right here, we're doing exactly what I just said. I'm iterating through with the indices. Then I'm comparing, I'm adding the extra candy, and then I found the max count. So I did have to go through this array twice. One to find the max, then as I'm going through and iterating, and that's, I do, to get this output, I need to do greater than or equal to. And then I test, and then I do my submitted. And I don't think this is exactly right. I think there's something wrong with their time here. But also I use very little space. Let's try this again. Let's run this one more time. So here we are. We're going to run this, and I think there's something wrong with their time. Yeah, that makes a little bit more sense, me being down here in the 6th percentile. Can't really fathom a way to speed this up. If you do have any comments of how to speed this up, I'd love to hear it. I'm also, that seems to be a lot of memory for going through and looking at the longest item. So, all right. But real quick video today. These are the type of questions that we're going over on a daily basis, and we are usually going through 1 or 2 questions depending on the difficulty level. So please make sure you're hitting the subscribe button and the notification bell so you're not missing out on any of these videos. And as always, guys, thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned, and we'll see you next time. Bye, everyone.
Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. I hope you really enjoyed today's video. And if you haven't, check out this video right here or this one right down here. And most important, make sure you're hitting this subscribe button and the notification bell. Thanks again for joining us, and we hope to see you next time. Bye, guys.